Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today it's the burning gears again. This time this is with Flex SuperGlue. Liquid, not gel. Again, I don't know what's gonna happen. It's probably gonna be the exact same thing as the Gorilla Glue, but who knows? This is a high performance glue. Slide it on fire, but as always in the dark. Come on, focus. Still burning. Hopefully it doesn't drip. Please don't drip on me. It's gonna drip. It's gonna drip. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. I think it's done. Because I actually have nothing in the bottom. Is it done? I think it is. Nothing's coming out. Yeah, it's done. 100%. Yeah, it's done. Let's get closer. And so the only main difference, oh my god, you guys remember the gear, right? Look at it now, it's nothing. Damn. But yeah, the only difference it had was a bit of like sparkle and crackling. Maybe it was the exact same thing as the gel, I don't remember. But that's it. That's the interview, guys. Hope you enjoyed. So if you do, like and comment down below, subscribe, and yeah, see you later.